Hello everyone. Recently I saw a 172 scale Leopard tank on Aliexpress and it looks pretty cool. I think it's still available. Price around €70. Not cheap for a plastic model. I sent a message to the seller. I said, does it come in the original package and what is the brand? And he said it is HA handwork and it does come in the original package. So I assume this is the original package. No barcode, no article number. I thought it's going to come in a package like this. This one is from Panzerkampf. Really good. And you pay around 45, €50 for it. Okay, so let's find out if it's any good. I hope so. Like I said, around €70. That's a lot of money for a plastic model. Okay, it is really well packed. We have to be very careful. So here we got the barrel. Looks good to me. Here we got the .50 machine gun. Ammo is well painted, machine gun well painted. And now we're going to find out how to get this out on a safe way without breaking anything. Can I take it out like this? Yes, there it comes. Very handy box, by the way. Okay, let's have a look. Like this, first under contract, you see a couple of flags from different countries. Euro trophy. I believe this is a Leopard 7. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm also not a tank expert, but I do like a Leopard. This is the, what is this? Here we have the, oh, this is the 2A7. And I think this is also 2A7. Yeah, it got some extra armor here in front. And that was actually what was triggering me to buy it. I have to say, paint job is really good. A little bit of weathering. Moving tracks? No, but the tracks go all the way up. Muddy tracks. Yeah, very well done. Okay, let's put this right here. Whoa. Can we move it up and down? Nope. Nope, we can't. We can rotate this. Oh, and we see this right here. It's facing a little bit downwards. There we go. That is a better direction. Yep. I think I have to, yeah. Oh, there. I think it has to be like this. Looks also like it's a little piece of metal there inside. Then we have to place the machine gun on top of it. You have to be careful. Whoa. Yeah, very well painted. And I also like that the ammo is painted. Okay, we're going to put that right here. Yep. Oh, that was not that difficult. Yeah, very nice Leopard. Very nice model. Is it worth €70? I don't know. I think it's produced in pretty low numbers. And that's the reason it's pretty expensive. And also the weathering is pretty well done. So I think a lot of time was spent on that. In that case, yeah, I think it's worth €70, but it still is expensive for a plastic tank. Okay, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tank videos, check my YouTube channel. And have a very good day. Bye.